Alrighty. Room tour D704.
Hola.
Okay, let's start off with this closet. Look how big.
Giant.
Look at
compared to
Isabella.
Norwegian. You don't have to do the mirror, bud. But
no, it's okay. He could clean.
Compared to Norwegian, this closet is giant, and the bathroom is bigger than Norwegian.
Okay, so we're gonna show the bathroom here. Look how big and spacious. We already unpacked. We have everything. Not the mirrors, Isaiah. No, not the mirrors. We're good. Oh, hi guys.
I cleaned this. Look.
Okay, so this is our little trash can. This is one thing that you really need when you come on the cruise. I have my all our hygiene stuff. Shampoos. It comes with shampoo and conditioner already, or shampoo conditioner, but I like to bring my conditioner. But look how spacious. Okay, the closet. Hi, Isabella.
Hello.
You want to share our... And then we have another closet space here.
Okay, we get a little.
We have everything organized already. My stuff up there, Isaiah and Isabella.
Like your mom, we got a safe.
And we have a safe for our passports.
Awesome.
A little mirror right here.
And over here, clean.
It comes with...
You can make it a queen, or you do it this, and I forgot to switch it from this to a queen.
Okay, but it's
we
okay.
No, they'll push them together.
Yeah, they'll push. They're gonna push our beds together, which is fine. Or we could sleep.
Say I Love Lucy style, like Ricky and Lucy.
Yeah, we're gonna sleep I Love Lucy style. Is that good?
Yeah, we're all.
And then brand new TVs for the Grand Princess.
Yeah, you'll see the TVs are tiny and they're right here. So they're bigger now.
So here's our refrigerator.
Because they did dry dock in
And then
April.
There's a desk. Oh, we could put stuff here too.
Norwegian mini suite did not have a desk.
There's a lot of cabinet space. Look, a lot of like spaces. Yeah, and it's empty.
And we put all our stuff away already.
Look at.
This is where Mom does her makeup.
It's really nice.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Oh, Isabella's makeup table.
So here's the pull up bed or pull out couch.
Pull out couch and then a bunk bed on top that they pull down. They pull it down at turn down.
So Isabella's gonna be sleeping up here. No, I'm playing. They're gonna bring down the bed.
Yeah, and it has a ladder.
Okay, let's go share our, and then the kids have their own TV right here.
Let's go share our balcony.
And guess what? We didn't bring tablets today. We didn't bring tablets so the kids could enjoy the cruise.
Come on, let's go.
So right now.
Okay, let's share the cabinet. I mean the balcony. We have a balcony.
Oh, please don't put your phone down there, because you're going to drop your phone down there. I just told you not to do it.
We are still loading. A lot of people are still loading. Alcatraz? Whoa, it's windy.
My head on the window.
I wanna.
You want what?
What else? No microwave?
Pull out the.
So we're going to put our shoes right there.
We gotta see
A lot
where
of space, you guys.
Chair.
The only thing that isn't that great is that there's no divider. A little curtain or.
Yeah, our last cruise we have.
Okay, guys, we're gonna.
Okay, well, thank you for watching, you guys.
We're gonna eat.
Isaiah wants to go eat.
Eat.
Mike made fun of my shirt.
I just belly flopped on the bed.
Love you.
You.